In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream Apple TV on Discord without black screen. If you've ever tried sharing Apple TV during a Discord call and ended up with a black screen instead of the video, this tutorial will show you a common solution. In many cases, the issue is related to your browser settings. We'll enable hardware acceleration, then stream the correct browser tab into a Discord voice channel for the best results. To begin, open the Settings menu in your web browser. If you're using Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. You can also type chromes://settings into the address bar and press Enter to open the Settings page directly. If you're using another browser, simply open its Settings menu instead. Most modern browsers are built on Chromium or have a very similar layout, so the option you're looking for should be available. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar at the top of the Settings page and type the word acceleration. This is the fastest way to locate the setting without having to browse through multiple menus. Once you've found the option labeled Use Hardware Acceleration when available, turn it on. Some browsers may refer to it as Graphics Acceleration or GPU Acceleration, but it performs the same function. After enabling it, your browser will usually prompt you to relaunch. Go ahead and relaunch the browser so the change takes effect. This step is important because Apple TV uses protected video playback, and hardware acceleration helps your browser render the content correctly so Discord can capture it without displaying a black screen. Next, open the Apple TV website in your browser and sign in if necessary. Then launch Discord, join a voice channel, and start a screen share. When Discord asks what you'd like to share, choose the specific browser tab that's playing Apple TV instead of sharing your entire screen. Sharing the individual tab typically provides better performance and helps prevent the black screen issue. Before you begin streaming, make sure the option to share audio is enabled so everyone in the voice channel can hear the movie or show. If your Discord account includes higher streaming quality options, choose the resolution and frame rate that best match your internet connection. Otherwise, the default settings will work just fine. If the problem continues, double-check that hardware acceleration is still enabled and that you relaunch the browser after changing the setting. You can also restart Discord and make sure you're sharing the Apple TV browser tab rather than your full display. Keeping the Apple TV tab active and visible while streaming may also improve compatibility. That's all there is to it. With hardware acceleration enabled and the correct browser tab selected, your Apple TV stream should display properly in Discord without the black screen issue. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.